Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a port into another dimension scene with Pipet AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to the Pipet AI website. Then you're going to sign in with your Google account and you will get free credits. And go to the home menu, select image feature, and you're going to upload your photo and also the prompt. And for the photo, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, then I'm going to add this prompt. Alright, and we're going to submit the prompt and also the photo to AI and let the AI do something for my photo. Okay guys, and these are the results, and I'm going to choose this one. Then we can click on download and select without Pipet watermark. Okay, and click on download and the photo will be saved to your device. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can try again by clicking on this menu and the AI will recreate or regenerate the photos for you. Okay guys, and that's how you can create a pulled into another dimension scene with Pipet AI for free. If you want to try it yourself, you can click the Pipet AI join link on my YouTube description and try to create a video or photo as creative as you can. Thank you so much for watching and bye!